G'day everybody, we're down here at the Christian Auto Sports Club of Australia Skid Pan Motorcana Day with the guys from Signature Window Tinting and Signs. Matt,
hi guys,
Shane,
how are we today?
We're going to have some fun today?
We definitely are.
Sure. So you can see there's a good field of cars here today. Some not knowing what we have under the bonnet here, some do. But so the idea is we've got a wet skid pen out there and some courses, and we're going to go and try not to do too many loops. So this is trouble. So what have we got going on here, Peter?
Oh, $600 5 litre off Facebook.
Beautiful.
Shipped up from Melbourne, rebuilt heads, a carby manifold on it, Trimatic, drilled out block, standard diff. Does the job.
And it looks sweet and sounds good in the process.
Yeah.
I see it melts tyres.
It does. I keep breaking those up.
Oh, that's mad.
Do the last stuff of every skid.
Oh, it even smells like a 70s car. What's going on here at Sydney Motorsport Park today? We've got the motorbikes over the back there. Lost a watch while we're not driving, but we're about to get on the field. We've had our driver's briefing, just waiting for Matt and Shane to do their briefing, being first timers. We're gonna have a good day.
We're not even gonna get off the line.
Oh, the water makes it cool already. Oh, as ready as I'll ever be.
Well done, sir. Did you get the thumbs up? Hooray.
Absolute blast out here. It's the track is optional, donuts are necessary. Anyway, I've handed the reins over to Matt with Shane in passenger. Having fun, boys?
Have a good blast.
It's about as much fun you can have, isn't it?
Rubber and wet ground.
Absolutely. I think they were worried I was going to clean them up.
I was.
Everyone was worried.
I was worried for a second. I tried the handbrake, but then it just skated.
Never seen the judges going for half bit of change. That's called a brown moment.
Yeah, that's it. Have fun out there, boys.
Yeah. Bring it back. So here with Shane, we're about to do this one here, the double bone, and we've all got through the first one without getting lost, which is pretty impressive.
Yeah, this one is.
Yeah, this one might be a different. We might get a well done, we never know. But Missfire's going great, we're having a blast. And like Shane said, it's good to hang out with mates and do it. Around the red one. Up the middle, and then you want to go outside of that one and around, and then outside of this one. That's it, and then around. Oh, nailing it! And then back through the middle. And then on the outside of that one, around. epic. Oh, this thing is so much fun.
I bet when I spun around, I fully lost it.
That was it.
I thought I was going to have to pull for reverse. I just did an extra doughy.
Yeah, that's it. You've already got a wrong direction anyway.
I'll have you.
There he is.
Well, that has to be the best day of fun I've had in a long time. Missfire was awesome. You can see we didn't care about times, we didn't care about anything but fun. It's been an awesome day. Yeah, see you all next time.